Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I want to show you a review of my Lead Gen Secret, as well as give you my honest review. This is going to be an honest review video, but I'm going to show you how my Lead Gen Secret works, and I'm going to show you the features that it has so you can be able to use this platform to market your business. Now, I've been with my Lead Gen Secret for quite some time. The first time that I have signed up for my Lead Gen Secret, I didn't really know what this system was about. I really didn't know how to really market it and how to really use it for my advantage. So, checking out YouTube videos on, how people gotten good results with this program, it kind of gave me some inspiration, to see it out again and see how it works. But, a lot of people, as well as myself, the first time when I got into this platform, I didn't think that the leads was really quality, that the leads wasn't really, high quality, I should say. But, as I tried it out again for the second time, I seen some results, and, then I start back, promoting it a little bit more. So, I say that to say this, sometimes you just have to try things again. Even if you have some type of doubt in the past, just try it again. All right, so I'm gonna show you how this thing works, so it can give you a really give you an idea, make it pretty much clear for you how to really market this, and how you can start seeing some results. Now you can see right here of my recent sent mailings, and you can see the amount of people that open it up. You can see them clicked, and you can also see the open rate. And let me remind you, you get like 100 leads per day, and if you get someone to sign up under you, you get 200 leads per day. So think about that. That could pretty much add up very, very fast. The main thing you have to do a lot of testing to see, like what headline worked, what body worked, and that pretty much give you an idea of how you can really make things better. For things that don't work, you eliminate it, and things that work, you increase. So these are the, you can check out my open rates, and you can see how many people are sent and how many people opened it. So over here shows you your leads, and it shows you how many leads come in each day. And you can check that out. Now, if you click on that, you can see the leads, you can see all the emails and everything that, the people that had opted in and they checked out your opportunity. I'm not going to click on this because it's pretty much going to show you other people's information, so I won't click on that. But when you see these eyes right here, you can definitely click on them. You can see in the back who had, who been brought to your system, just for, each day you get those 100 to 200 leads. So, over here is your master email swipes. This is where you can integrate, I believe it's about $60 to have, these 30 emails that you can implement in the system that you can send out once every 24 hours. So this is very useful. And you can also change up, your URL for whatever platform you're promoting. You can change that up inside of these emails. So that's the best thing about this thing. You can use this for any opportunity, not just my Lead Gen Secret, but you can use it for any affiliate marketing program that you have to promote. All right, so this is the mailing system. This is the system when you this is the mailing service when you sign up with my Lead Gen. They give you an automatic 10 email swipes, so you can check those out. And over here, you can also, if you have any previous mailings that you would like to go out to load up again, in case if you want to change anything, you just hit load. That same subject will load up, and then the body will load up. So let me remind you, you only have 24 hours to send the next mailing, so you only can do it once per day. Perfect timing. This is for whenever you send out a mailing. You could pretty much predict the day and the time that your subscribers usually open up their emails, so they'll send it out through those times that those leads have open emails. So say for instance, if someone on my email list usually opens one of my mailings at 10 o'clock a.m., 9 times out of 10, when I send perfect timing, those same people is going to get mailed out at that same time. So that's what perfect timing is. But you can, it's optional if you want to choose to have it on or not. Okay. Over here shows you your statistics, and this shows you a little, just a little estimate of, who is opening up, what's your open rate, how many clicks you getting. You can check out those statistics over when you hover over statistics at the top bar. Okay. Then you have your affiliates, and these are, showing you, who you have on your team. It also shows you the compensation plan. All right. And here also shows you, okay, that's giving out, different emailings. And then you got also the recommended advertising. And this pretty much shows you, I believe you can, and I haven't really gotten to this side of the fence though, but, if you read around, I guess you can show things in newspaper, organic prospect twice confirmed. You will have to go over and look at that information, and you can click, and here pretty much tell you everything you need to know. But this is pretty much my lead gen secret. And I'm gonna give you my honest review. I'm gonna give you that because, for those who may think that, this doesn't work, to my ability and to my experience, maybe should I say experience, it worked out very well for me. I got a chance to see many leads come in day by day. It's not too many systems that you see that you can get leads every day throughout the whole 30-day period. It's cost efficient for joining up with this program. It's about $30 a month, and you can get signed up with me today, and the link will be in the description below. I like it. I like my lead gen secret. It very much helped me. It helped me to be able to market all of my business, and I'm still marketing it till this day, and I still see results coming through. I do have another program that y'all can see. It's called Lead Leap. That link will also be in the description, and this is what I use to track all my leads from all my businesses. So say for instance, if I'm using my lead gen secret, I can use that with Lead Leap, and I can see who coming into my funnel with this program. So that's something that you can definitely check out. Those 2 links in the link will be in the description, both of the links. Just check out my lead gen secret, and also check out my Lead Sleep. Check out Lead Sleep. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to show you a brief viewing of my lead gen secret, and I wanted to show you that you can use it with Lead Sleep. And I'm giving you my viewpoints on how I think the system is, like in a overall. It's a great service to be a part of. So that's my experience. All right. So just hit that like and subscribe if you feel that this channel, or also you feel that this video done some good to you. Please leave your comments in the comment section if you have any questions, and I definitely will get back in touch with you on my social media. All right. So that's it for today. This is 00 with Astro. I'll see you guys on the other side.